What up, you guys? So today we are going on another drone adventure. It's the SkillsUSA drone tournament at the convention center here in Columbus. And I was asked earlier this week to be a judge for the competition. It's all day long. Don't know what to expect, but I'm excited to meet people and to see students in high school compete. And I think it's going to be a great day. So keep you updated. See you later. So here's the course. You start, you have them land on these 3 platforms, and then you have them come over here, knock over these colored foam balls just on PVC pipe, and then over here there's buckets with colors or numbers in them, like that's green, and then that's a 3. Here's a red, here's blue, and then based off of what color you told them to find, they then land on the corresponding landing pad over here. So, and then the pilot or the remote pilot has to stay blindfolded or even turn around, depends on what we do, and then they have to rely on their visual observer. Alright, we just got done with the drone competition. This is where all the other tables were at. But we had one really bad drone crash, DJI Mini 3, but you know, that's kind of just what happens when you fly a bunch of drones through an obstacle course. But yeah, then there was a couple broken propellers that the kids got to fix, but overall it went well. There was like 19 teams, sets of pairs, so that worked together. They had a visual observer and then the remote pilot. And then what we were testing on was not necessarily how fast they get through the course, but on how well they follow best drone practices and how precisely they operate and how they communicate with each other. So I got some good ideas for like training curriculum for drones in the future. So this event happens every year. It's the SkillsUSA competitions where students from all across Ohio come and compete and show their skills, whether it comes to police department, firefighting, medical, nursing, or drones, or engineering, robotics. Students they practice and train and build, and then they come here and present and compete with other schools. So it's really cool. My first time. Hopefully I'll come back next year and be able to be a part of it. But yeah, overall it was a good day. We'll see you in the next video in our next drone adventure. Peace out.